investors, your baby waiter Michael Jason boy is back in the building. I bring to you another selling product, which is the DUKIA Africa, the Africa Resort Estate, the Africa Resort Estate. When my papa first gave me this face cap, I first look at the face cap like this. DUKIA Africa. What is the meaning of DUKIA Africa? And I went to meet my mom. My mom said DUKIA Africa is the largest resort in the estate. That is the Africa's Pride Resort Estate, with initial deposit of 3.5 million naira for a plot. I want you all to hurry and come and buy the largest resort in Africa, the largest, most or not the smallest, the largest resort in Africa. If you want to buy, call or WhatsApp is 08034936769. One more time, is 08034936769. I remain your baby rater, Michael Jason. Peace out.